It's that time of year to have spooky fun, and today I'm going to show you how to take a regular old cardboard box and turn it into a spooky 3D shadow box display for your Lemax Halloween pieces. Alright, to get started, I took a regular cardboard box, cut it down, and spray painted it with black paint. This is what it looks like. Alright, let's get started on turning the inside into a shadow box. Cut spooky trees out of black poster board, some bats, and even a moon. Glue the bats, trees, and moon into the cardboard box. Layer them as you're gluing them in to create a 3D effect. To create our spooky ocean scene for the lighthouse, we're going to create waves and a platform for the lighthouse. I'm using a bowl that'll be part of the platform, and I'm going to trace it just so that I make my ocean waves around it and leave room for my lighthouse. I'm creating my ocean waves using spackle. Smear it on with a spatula and create peaks. Let it fully dry, and then it's time to paint it. Once the spackle is dry and hardened, it's time to paint it and create our spooky ocean. I'm going to be using shades of blue, black, and gray. Using granite air-dry clay, form flat rocks and pebbles as well as a platform. Bake according to the clay packaging. Once clay is cool and hard, we're going to use a bowl to create a platform for the lighthouse. Flip it upside down, and this is going to be the base where our lighthouse goes. Next, we're going to glue on our individual rocks to cover the bowl. Cut a small hole in the back corner of the box to feed the adapter cord for the lighthouse through. Place small battery-operated tea lights behind and around the trees so that when you turn the lights out, you create a shadow effect. Now it's time to add our showstopper piece, the Point Dread Lighthouse. I love how all the different parts move, it lights up, and there's spooky music. We'll finish off our scene by placing our accessories, the skull cairns, and the message in the bottle. And to complete our spooky ocean, of course, we're gonna have coffins floating around the ocean and washing up on the rocks and trees. I love how spooky today's DIY turned out. Remember that you can find all of these Lemax pieces that I used today at authorized Lemax retailers, and find out more about other collections at lemaxcollection.com. And as always, follow Lemax on social for more great ideas on how you can create your own village setups. Have a safe and happy Halloween.